channel release on Netflix, let's start the video now. My Holo Love Season 2 is coming. After the start of My Holo Love, a virtual reality romance series Season 1, masses of fans are eagerly awaiting the season. This season guarantees greater romance and drama than ever before. Will Netflix ever produce the second season of My Holo Love? The first and simplest season launched these 12 months on February 13th, and I am certain many human beings are ready for Season 2's release. It stars Yoon Hyun Min as Go Nan Do, Ko Soo Hee as Han Si Yoon. In My Holo Love Season 1, a shrewd lady with a face blindness ailment falls in love with a hologram that mimics her each need. Are those together to be destined? Netflix has confirmed hobby on K-drama nowadays, and it's far because of visitors who love K-drama in excessive amount nowadays. Anyway, Netflix selection is very last, however, let's wish for the best. It's been a long term claiming we noticed episodes of My Holo Love, however, you could be hopeful that the display will go back and retain to entertain us with quirky characters. Also subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more Netflix movies, web series, reviews, news and updates. If the Netflix retain for the display, then we will assume to look the approaching Season 2 in February of the subsequent year. Han So Yoon is a 30-12 months antique younger lady who became recognized with prosopagnosia, an uncommon neurological ailment that influences one's capacity to apprehend faces. She becomes a sufferer due to her peer stress due to the fact her peer additionally did now no longer realize her condition. Many instances she did not apprehend her pals' call and contact them with the aid of using any other call, which makes her comedy in front of her pals. But her existence adjustment appreciably while she determines a brand new glass which becomes additionally part of AI Holo. After that, her capacity of many stuffs will increase, claiming, and she will do many high quality stuffs with the assist of a glass. Holo may be shrewd L which attempts to kill her loneliness and desires to make her happy. But the author Go Nan Do fell in love with the woman, claiming he became the author of Holo and might watch her on PC screen. Likewise, she additionally gets comments to draw with Holo. Anyway, Holo becomes a very smart and additionally recognized feeling. Thank you for watching the video till end. For more Netflix movies, web series, reviews, news and update, please visit our website www.releaseonnetflix.com. If you like our video, then hit the like button and share with your friends. Also, to stay updated, please subscribe to our channel Release on Netflix.